Hello everyone, I am Anamika and today I am here with this chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation, and this is for class 7. In the previous video you have seen some question answer of this chapter, that means some short question answer and long question answer. In this video we will continue that means whatever the questions that is left in the previous video. So today I am going to start with chapter 7, question number 6. This is a long answer type questions. Write a short note on wind. As we know, moving air is called wind and it is the result of uneven heating of the earth. Winds are generally of two types, onshore wind and offshore wind, which is also known as sea breeze or land breeze. Weather also get affected on the types of the wind. Now the next question, that is how does sunrise and sunset takes place. So let's see that what are the that means answer. As we know that earth revolves around the sun like other planet. So in the solar system, sun that is mainly present in the center and other planets revolve around. And along with the revolution, it also does the rotation. That means around its own axis in 24 hours. So thus this continuous rotation on a daily basis that causes sunrise and sunset. That means mainly day and night, and revolution that causes change in season. So in this way, that means these are important. Now the next question, write a short note on temperature. As we know that temperature, that is the degree of hotness or coldness at a particular point of the time, and it can be measured by a thermometer. Actually thermometer, that is, and you can say the instrument by which it can be measured, and in degree of Fahrenheit, Celsius or Kelvin scale. So these are the three scales by which that means temperature can be measured, and it is not same. It may be vary from place to place also, and it may affect also that means weather and climate of a place. For example, the temperature in summer increases but in winter it cools down. Okay, the next question, that is question number 9. What is Earth's tilt? So let's see the answer. As we know that Earth is not straight or upright, rather it is slightly tilted on its own axis. The Earth's axis of rotation is tilted at about 23.5 degree, and the revolution of the Earth around the Sun and its tilt causes season. That means which surface of the Earth that is facing towards the Sun, there will be summer season, and the surface of the Earth that facing away from the Sun, there will be winter season. Next question, question number 10. What are hot and dry climates? List their characteristics as well. So let's see the answer. Actually that means the hot and dry climates are basically the atmospheric condition of a place where temperature are usually at high levels and there is hot wind or no winds at all. And that means in our country mainly the Rajasthan area that having these types of the hot and dry climates, but that means in that places night is cold. So let's see some characteristics of the hot and dry climates. No rainfall or very little rainfall. Okay, so that means either rainfall is does not happen or very less rainfall may occurs. Cold at night. So nights are generally cold in that places. Hot winds during the daytime. Clear sky throughout the year. And various animals like camel, fennec fox, echidna, dax. So these are found in this desert climate. Okay, so whatever the question